So just a few more of these and you guys are going to find this easy. You can do this on your own. Let's just do one as a class. Okay, now, what's the first thing we're going to do? Help me out. Who knows? Somebody. Look, analyze. Okay, we can divide the angle by 60, so please divide the angle by 60. That's one. Yeah. No. 30 divided by 60 is not. Okay, 0.5. If you divide 30 by 60, that's 0.5. Now, if you look, what do they give us? Do they give us hypotenuse? Do they give us adjacent? Do they give us opposite? I think opposite. Okay, you're here, your angle is here. If your angle is here, do they give us opposite, adjacent? Opposite. Okay, so they give us opposite. So now, since they give us opposite, let's go to the formulas. What formulas have opposite? Sine and tangent. We can use either one. Either one's going to work. Let's use sine. So now, I have sine there, my formulas. I plug it in. But of course, by now, I have changed the 30 minutes into 30 degrees. I would have already changed the degrees of this one. This one now is, there you go, that's 24 and 24.5 degrees. Okay, so please set it up, and what do we do next? We're here, there you go, we're there. What do? We cross multiply, okay. When we cross multiply, do we use 24.5 or we gotta get the value? Let's get the value. Please cross multiply. Make sure you're careful with the rounding. Alejandro, sir, you have the value. What's our value? 24.5. Sign. What is it, Steve? Yeah, 0.4. There you go. Okay, we're trying to isolate C. So what do we do with 0.4147? You're trying to isolate C. So you divide 26 by 0.4147. Yeah, you're trying to isolate C. Divide. What's our answer if we divide? What's our answer? 0.05956. You've divided, Veronica? 26 divided by 0.4147? What is our answer? 62? Okay. Okay, check your answers. You should have 62.6959. Check your answers. Now, if we draw it on the triangle, if we draw it, it's going to look like this. There's my 62. That's my hypotenuse now. I have two sides. How do I get the third side? Pythagorean. Now, this is now calculator work. If you have two sides, you can get the third one. Please plug it into a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You're trying to get the third one. Check your answers. Check your answers.
It shows 57 sometimes.
Check your answers. Now, if you check your answers, we put 57.056 in the base. What are we missing?
The angle.
Okay, so how do we know the angle?
Oh, it is
24.5 and subtracted from 180.
65.5. Who else has another angle?
65.5.
That's it. Okay, please don't use 30 minutes. Please use 30.5. That's the degrees. There you go. You should get 65.5. Thank you. So now we have completed everything, because if you look at the drawing, we have all the information. We have all sides, all angles. Check your work, please. Okay, here we go now. Okay, here we go. Let's listen up, please. Okay, here we go. I need everybody here, please. Thank you. Now, here's what we're going to do. We call this analyze, approach, attack. Here's what we're going to do. They give us a problem. 30 seconds. We look at the problem. We look at our notes. We don't talk to anybody. We try to figure out what formula we're going to use. So let's say they give us this. We look at it for 30 seconds, no talking. We see, are we going to use SOHCAHTOA? What are we going to do with the angles, and so on and so forth? We try to figure it out. The next 30 seconds, when we approach, we talk with our table partner. We talk for 30 seconds, talk as much as you want. Discuss what formula you're going to use. Discuss what you need to do with the degrees. The last one, I think I give you too much time. It's 7 minutes. I don't know. Maybe you guys are going to be done in like 4 minutes, I guess.
No, we need like 20.
Now, the next one, we're going to attack it. We're going to solve it. But when we solve it, please don't talk to your partner. Please try to do it on your own. That way, you get the hang of doing it on your own. So again, when we do attack, when we solve, please do it on your own. Please don't talk with your partner. Please don't work with your partner. Try to do it on your own. Use your notes. That way we can figure out who understands it, who doesn't. Anyway, it's not going to count, but it's practice. So here we go. First, let's summarize. Analyze, no talking, 30 seconds. Approach, 30 seconds. We talk with our partner. Attack, we solve. It says there 7 minutes, but we'll try to do it in like 4 because you guys are faster. I don't know how many minutes I should give you. So, okay, here we go. Look at the problem. 30 seconds, please. Don't talk. Look at your notes. See what formula you're going to use. Okay, ready, set, go. Look at your notes. What formula are you going to use? Do you need to change the angle and so on and so forth? Okay, next one. Talk with your table partner, 30 seconds. Discuss what you're going to do. How are you going to solve it? What formula are you going to use?
I can't do that.
I'm not camera shy.
I can't type and watch at the same time.
Which
one are you going to show you?
Wait, I haven't checked yet. They gave us B should be across, that would be opposite and adjacent. So opposite, adjacent, that's tangent.
You're going to use tangent?
Yeah, because opposite and adjacent.
Okay, I'm going to use sine.
So,
Yes.
why?
Because the opposite is 39. And you're
4
going to look
minutes,
for the
do this on
hypotenuse.
your own, please. 4
You're looking for
minutes.
the head button.
Where do we go?
Yeah. Let's see which one. Yeah.
You just have to find C and the remaining angles. Okay, let's do this on our own, please. Let's do this.
Would you keep the 25 grams? This is 39.